Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and launching the new virtual machine wizard. This gets you into the creation flow immediately. Choose typical or custom depending on control required, then point to the OS ISO and set the guest OS type. Once done, allocate CPU cores and initial RAM based on workload. Too little slows boot, too much starves the host. Make sure to pick the right firmware, BIOS versus UEFI, and confirm disk provisioning method before moving on. Next, you configure the VM hardware and storage, which is the complex center of the task. Allocate vCPUs and memory while balancing host demands. Use reservations for performance-sensitive guests. Create the virtual disk and decide whether to pre-allocate for stability or use thin provisioning for space efficiency. Attach the ISO to the virtual CD/DVD drive and choose the network adapter type. Once configured, add any USB pass-through or PCI devices for direct hardware access before finalizing. Finally, power on the VM and use the console to run the OS installer. Follow on-screen steps and install Vmware tools for drivers and improved integration. Once the guest boots, fine-tune settings like snapshots, backup schedules, CPU and memory limits, and NIC configuration. If the VM fails to boot, check VMware. Log and the host event logs. Make sure firmware mode matches the installer. Adjust disk mode if locked, and verify virtual hardware compatibility. These checks usually.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.